So start करें.
बिल्कुल ओके.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Nehi Tiwari, along with Shashank Singh, Tushar Sharma, Riya Navlani, and Rahul Gusaiwal, are going to present the presentation. Next. Magnetism. Next. What is magnetism? A magnet is a material that has both attractive and directive properties. This property of attraction is called magnetism. Next. Basic properties of magnets. Attractive property. A magnet attracts small pieces of iron, nickel, etc. Directive property. When a magnet is suspended or pivoted freely, it aligns in the geographical north-south direction. Now, I would like to invite Riya Navlani for further presentation.
Thank you, Nihi. Like poles repel and unlike poles attract. If north or pole of a magnet is brought near north or south pole of another magnet, the poles are found to repel each other. But if north pole of one magnet is brought near south pole of another one, they attract. Magnetic poles always exist in pairs. If we try to isolate the two poles of magnet from each other by breaking the magnet in middle, each broken part is found to be a magnet with north-south pole at its end. So unlike pole, magnetic monopoles do not exist. Next, please. Magnetic induction. A magnet induces magnetism in a magnetic substance placed near it. This phenomenon is called magnetic induction. Now, I would like to invite Shashank for the further presentation.
Magnetic field lines. Next. Properties of magnetic field lines. The magnetic field lines of a magnet or a solenoid form continuous closed electric dipoles. These field lines begin from a positive charge and end on a negative charge or escape to infinity. The tangent to the field lines at a given point represent the direction of net magnetic field at that point. Next. The larger number of field lines passing through an area, the stronger is the magnitude of magnetic field. The magnetic field lines do not intersect. If they did, the direction of magnetic field would not be unique.
Earth's magnetism. Next. Heat makes the outer core convected, which makes the Earth's magnetic field. Next. Magnetic fields are wherever there is an electric current. That is the movement of electrons. In a regular bar magnet, the magnetic field comes from the electrons orbiting around the nucleus of the iron atom. All the electrons orbit in the same direction. Okay, next. This diagram shows about the magnetism. Solid inner core 2400 km diameter iron nickel. Liquid outer core 2270 km thick iron and nickel. Next. The electrical current within the earth causes earth to act like giant electromagnetic generator. This is called the dynamo theory of the magnetic field generation. Now I would like to invite my friend Rahul for further explanation.
Thank you. So here is the diagram of the Earth magnetic field. As you can see in the center, north and south pole, and they are making the magnetic field. And here are the mention at the corner the magnetic lines. at below North and South Pole, geographic South Pole, and Earth tilt. A little more info. The Earth magnetic field isn't strong enough for us to feel, but many animals can sense it and even use it to navigate. It's only about zero point 0.4 Gauss, much weaker than a small magnet you can hold in your hands. How does the magnetic field protect us? The magnetic field captures the solar wind and channel much of it into a donut of radiation around the Earth. The donut actually two layer, one inside the other. It's also called Van Allen radiation belt, VARB. Here is the diagram. How Earth magnetic field protect us from the solar winds, bow, shock, and radiation. As you can see, and this is the end of the end of our PPT. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.